We find that the Matrix platform has been improving over time, which has been fantastic for our students. Most of the features that we've been using in the early days, we're using those same features moving forward to keep a consistency for our students. But the features that have been implemented have been great in the reporting process, that we can generate better reports for our clients. So the most important feature is we can see what the students are seeing on the screen. So if they do have a problem with their training, it may not necessarily be a system problem, it might be something that they're trying to learn or understand. We can actually log in as them and see exactly what they're seeing and help them through the process. Most important, we want our students to have an enjoyable process, and to be able to see what they're seeing on the screen is vital for our IT people to actually resolve any issues that they may be having.